In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download assets in Figma the fast and easy way. Whether you want to export a layer, a group, a component, or an entire frame, this walkthrough will help you save your design assets in the right format without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and select the asset you want to download. This could be a single layer, a group of objects, a component, or even a full frame. The important thing is to click on the exact item you want to export because Figma will only show export options for the selected asset. Once your asset is selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar. Scroll all the way down until you find the export panel. You'll usually see it at the bottom of the design tab, and in some cases, you may also notice it while working in the inspect area. This is the section where Figma lets you prepare your file for download. If there are no export rules listed yet, click the plus button to add one. This tells Figma that you want to create an export setting for the selected asset. After that, you'll be able to customize exactly how your download will be saved. Now choose your export settings. Start by selecting the scale, such as 1x or 2x, depending on the quality and size you need. Then choose the file format that works best for your project. For example, use PNG for clean, transparent graphics, JPG for smaller image files, SVG for scalable vector assets, or PDF if you need a document-style export. If you're not sure which format to use, think about where the asset is going. PNG is great for icons and UI elements, SVG is perfect for logos and vector artwork, and JPG is better for photos or image-heavy content. Picking the right format now will save you time later and make sure your download looks exactly how you want it. Once your scale and file type are set, you're ready to export. Simply click the export button, which will usually show the asset name next to it. Figma will then generate the file and download it directly to your computer. After that, you can find it in your downloads folder and use it wherever you need. And that's it. Downloading assets in Figma is really that simple. Just select the asset, open the export panel, add your export settings, choose your scale and format, and click export. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.